get to this? Is it too much to ask for someone to like me?
I just want someone who listens to me, someone I can hold, someone I can trust, someone with good dental hygiene.
I'm a good guy, I brush, I floss twice a day. I'm successful and polite. This is it, tonight's the night I meet someone right, or I just might
go.
Bonjour, s'il vous plaît. How are you all today? It's me, Kerry Post. I am your fabulous host. I see desperation in your eyes. Oh, please do up your fly. Think what appeals to guys, not their shaggy thighs. Oh, just be you but better. Oh, why'd you wear that sweater? Time to take your places. Now! Here we go. You sit, you stand, turn around, walk or step. No, not there. When you hear the bell, shake hands and step. No, not you. Find your mate, don't be late, turn in straight. This is fate. Are you great?
She's got pretty eyes, I've seen them on another. I think it was my brother.
What a lovely smile, it goes from ear to ear. I think it is a leer.
What a funny way she walks, not as bad as how she talks.
Did I leave the iron on? Oh my god, he's got a thong. Could it be he likes it rough?
Is that real? She's up the duff? She's neurotic,
He's psychotic,
superficial.
artificial.
They just keep coming, and I think I am succumbing to their stupid inane comments about cars and hair and YouTube. Why did I come here to this three-ring circus sideshow?
If she comes to ring her bell again, I've got to get away.
Wait a minute! You must complete the cycle. Then what's
Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary. So, do you, have you ever got... I like your teeth.
I like your teeth too.
Your bicuspids are beautiful.
You've got lovely arches. They're so symmetrical.
I take care of my teeth. I floss twice a day.
At least. I even carry floss around with me.
I special order mine.
I sometimes order a meal just so that I can floss afterwards.
Corn.
Poppy seeds.
Chicken.
Apple skin. Spinach. Yeah.
Would you like to go have a meal sometime?
Of course. I mean, of course.
Speed dating, everyone's a winner. Speed dating, everyone's a sinner. He looks a little weird, but he's everything I need.
I know it isn't mine, she says it is divine.
Speed dating, it's a looking sunny. Speed dating, value for your money.
I think he looks organic, but I'll soon make him satanic.
I'm looking pretty hot,